In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move a Google form to the trash. If you've created a form you no longer need, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly how to remove it from your account using the built-in controls right inside the editor. I'll also share a few helpful notes so you know what happens to links, collaborators, and existing responses once the form is trashed. Start by opening your Google form in the editor. Make sure you're looking at the correct form, especially if you manage multiple versions or similar surveys. You'll want to be signed in with an account that has edit access to the form, since viewers and respondents can't remove it. Once the form is open, look toward the top area of the screen where the main navigation sits. Next, click the Responses tab. You'll find it near the top center of the page, right between Questions and Settings. This tab is where you manage everything related to incoming answers. Even though we're about to trash the entire form, switching to responses gives you a clear view of any data the form has collected, which can be helpful if you want to verify you're removing the right one before proceeding. Now move your attention to the upper right corner of the top bar and click the three-dot menu labeled More Options. This menu controls actions for the form itself. In the list that appears, choose Move to Trash. This action removes the form from your active files and sends it to your Google Drive trash. Depending on your setup, you may see a brief confirmation message to ensure you intended to remove it. Here's what to expect after you move the form to trash. The public link to the form stops working, so people can no longer submit responses. Anyone you shared the form with as a collaborator loses regular access. If you had connected the form to a spreadsheet, that spreadsheet isn't deleted by this action. It simply won't receive any new responses. The trashed form will sit in your Google Drive trash and can typically be restored within a limited window, unless your trash is emptied or your organization enforces different retention rules. If you still need the structure or data later, consider making a copy or saving a backup before you remove it. And if your actual goal was only to clear existing responses, remember that's a different action from trashing the entire form. That's it. Open the form, head to Responses, use the three-dot menu, and select Move to Trash. You've successfully cleaned up your forms.